Driving off-road is part of living the Jeep lifestyle. The Jeep Renegade Trailhawk comes standard with an off-road suspension with a factory lift for added ground clearance. Ground clearance helps keep the undercarriage from scraping rocks and obstacles when off-roading and driving through deep snow. Off-road ground clearance is measured in a number of ways. First is approach angle, which is the measure of clearance before the front axle. Renegade features an outstanding 30.5-degree approach angle. A good approach angle will help prevent your front bumper from scraping on hills. Next is breakover angle, measured between the axles. Jeep Renegade Trailhawk features a 25.7-degree breakover angle. We also measure minimum and running ground clearance. Trailhawk features 8.7 inches of ground clearance and is aided by skid plates to help protect key components from contact. Departure angle is measured from the rear axle back. Trailhawk has a 34.3 departure angle to help clear obstacles at the rear. Heavy-duty forged steel tow hooks in the front and rear of the Trailhawk provide attachment points for straps and winch cables should you get stuck or need to help out a stranded motorist. Trailhawk tow hooks can support up to 150% of the gross vehicle weight. Aim to steer the tires up onto the high spots. If you try to pass over or straddle a rock, you risk high centering. Off-roading is challenging. Remember, always go as slow as possible with safety and security your foremost concern.